This simmer pot of fruit and spices will make your home smell incredible over the holidays, and you can use it throughout the winter too. All you need is some star anise, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, cranberries, fresh rosemary, and some orange slices. Simply place about 6 cups of water into a pot or crock pot, add all the ingredients, and set on low heat. Your home will smell amazing, but just be sure to watch that water level because it will evaporate on you and you will end up with a mess on your hands. One thing I love about this recipe is that you can turn it into the sweetest little gift because the fruit and the rosemary will get moldy in a couple of days. The solution is to just dehydrate them, and that can be done right in your oven. Just place them on a piece of parchment paper on a cookie sheet and pop them into the oven set to 200 degrees. The rosemary will be done in about an hour and the fruit will take about 4 to 6 hours, but you just need to turn them every hour so that they dehydrate evenly. Then place the fruit and spices into a little jar, add a label with the ingredients and how to use it. What a terrific gift for a friend, a teacher, or even a hostess gift.